Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can get fully verified on GCash account. So the first step that you have to do is go ahead and go to your browser and search for help.gcash.com. So in here, you will see all the steps that you have to go through. So the requirements for the verification is one valid ID. So you just have to make sure that your ID is not damaged or expired. And if you're a Filipino GCash user with a foreign SIM, you can click here to see on how you can get verified with GCash overseas. So for minors and foreign nationals, you may need to also submit additional documents, which is in here. So you will just click on this one. So if you're a Filipino citizen, 18 plus years old with PH SIM, you click on this one and you will see all the steps. So step number 1 is on your GCash application, you tap on your profile and then click on verify now. So you will see there a get started button, so you will just click on it and you make sure to read all the requirements and reminders and just tap on next, and then you have to enter the 6-digit authentication code sent to your mobile number. So once you're done, tap on next, and then you have to also input your birthday and confirm if you're a Filipino citizen, and then just tap on next, and then select the government ID that you wish to submit for verification. So just tap on the select ID and you will see a bunch of government IDs that you can submit there. So once you're done with that, just scan your ID and take a selfie scan. Next is to review your account information and tap on submit. So you will be led to a page that confirms your application to be fully verified. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!